hair. Hi guys! So obviously, I have a new hair color. So ito yung kagabi, yung ginagawa ng sister ko. Anyway, I hope that you like it. And as much na gusto ko siyang magtagal ng bongga sa hair ko na ganyang color, hindi. Eventually, mag-fade yan. Every time I wash my hair, mag-fade na yan. Kasi nga, ano lang siya, parang cellophane lang siya. So, henna wax. Yun nga, yung ginamit ko yung Shine Moist Henna Wax. And yung shade niya, yung color niya, ruby. So, I used the Shine Moist Henna Wax before yung Cyclamen. Akala ko kasi red yung magiging dating niya, parang purplish red. Kaso parang hindi ganun yung naging dating niya. Parang nag-iba na yung formulation nila. Pero itong ruby, ayan, red na red. So, flaming red siya. Pero syempre, hindi na color yung mga tumutubong roots ko. And so, may black siya. Pero, okay lang. I still like it. So, yun. Gusto ko nga ganito lang palagi. Anyway, kung gusto ko naman ng pula, diba? Meron pa naman akong natirang Shine Moist na Henna Wax in ruby. So, yun. So, kung gusto nyo, yun, yung Shine Moist. Kung gusto nyo ng ganitong hair, Shine Moist Henna Wax ruby. Pero, mind you, I just wanna let you know na blonde na yung hair ko. So, kaya kumulay siya ng ganyan talagang red na red. Pero kung yung hair nyo, dark or black, hindi siya magiging ganito yung effect niya. Kasi tingnan nyo naman to. Diba? Wala namang naging color masyado dun sa black roots ko. So, yon. And now we're going out. And 3 days na lang, makeup workshop ko na. I'm really excited, at the same time nervous. Kasi syempre, first time ko magtuturo ng ganon. Actually, nag-demo na ako before dun sa meet and greet ko last year. Pero iba to eh. Kasi mas, you know, more intensive siya. And focus nga siya sa eye makeup, eyebrows, and contour and highlighting. Pero of course, ituturo ko pa rin yung iba. Kung meron pa rin tanong na iba yung mga students, of course, I will answer it, yung other tips and tricks ko. Pero yun nga, focus siya sa eye makeup. Kasi every time that I do my makeup, ang laging compliment sa akin yung eyebrows ko and yung eye makeup ko sa blending. So I will, you know, I will focus on that so that I can share my knowledge about makeup. And yeah, how do you like my lipstick? This is actually the Fashion 21 lipstick in Heartthrob. Yung Red Romance lipstick in Heartthrob. Nagamit ko na yun sa mga previous video tutorials ko. Yun, so yeah, I really like it. It's a blue toned lipstick. And on my eyes, I used maroon eyeshadow, then black liner. Then I, you know, smoke it out para maging smoky eye siya. And then sa kilay ko, I used the Glory of New York eyebrow pencil in auburn. Yun yung shade niya, auburn. Tapos, sinet ko siya ng maroon eyeshadow powder. Yun. Ano pa ba? Yun lang. So, eye lenses from, what do you call this? Fabulous. So, this is the sparkle gray. And yun. Hi guys! So, I just got home from LBC and BDO because of some transaction that I have to make for the makeup workshop. And look what I got here today. Tada! So these are Beauty Cosmetics blending brushes that my students will get for joining the blended makeup workshop. And Thursday na ngayon, Friday tomorrow, Saturday. I'm so excited! Anyway, how do you like my hair? So this is what it looks like after the first wash. So hindi pa siya masyadong nagfe-fade. Medyo pa lang. Medyo naging orangey red na siya. Pero red pa rin naman siya. So, siguro sa pangalawang wash, mas magiging mukhang orange na siya. So, sana ganito pa rin siya ka-vibrant. Ay, sorry, dami kong breakout. Sana ganito pa rin siya ka-vibrant sa araw ng aking makeup workshop. And anyway, pwede ko naman siyang i-retouch. Meron pa naman akong natirang ruby na Shine Moist Henna Wax. Yon. Hi, girl. Denzel. Hi! Hi, girl. O, diba curly hairs nila? Mamaya tayo naman. Pagtapos na. We're here at the Birds Bees event and the program is about to start now. So, ang ganda dito sa Le Jardin BGC. Cars SNR. Yan, tinan niyo yung paligid. Ganda, di ba? So, magaganda tong mga to. Selfie! Ang bait! Yummy! What's that? Wow! Yan, ako lang rin ready. So, picture, video. Yan, naisa na yung hair namin for the photo op. So, magsuot kami ng flower crown. Yung pinaka-souvenir. Curly na ako. Thank you. What's your name? Abby. Thank you, Abby. Curly hair.